Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one more real-time issue. So you can see in the screenshot that this issue error we are getting when we are posting FB50 transaction code, which is vendor invoice, right? When you are posting manual invoice, vendor invoice using FB60 transaction code, user is facing this uh, error message. It says no sufficient record found in control table for there is one combination 4065 KR, and this is the date. So this is the basic issue, and you can see the message number. This is not a custom. This is a standard message basically. All right. So we will see what is the root cause for this issue. So we found out that this issue comes when we don't have proper configuration for ODN in place. Right. So we have to follow up some configuration steps to maintain the missing ODN configuration. Okay, so let us see. So this is the key basically 4065 4065. These are the key, and KR you can understand this is the document type, and this is the particular date on which user is trying to post this invoice. So for this there are few steps we need to complete. So before these steps, few more prerequisite steps are there which are already there in the place. So in the future when I cover ODN configuration, I will include all those steps like end-to-end process I will cover. But to resolve this issue, we just need the steps from this step onward. So here what we do, we need to maintain the number group. So we are doing this using transaction code SM30, and in SM30 we will provide this table view as you can see in the screenshot. Then we click on edit. Since this I have already updated this, so I'm showing in the display mode. So here you can see this is the group name we have given. This can be anything, but how we have bifurcated this, first 2 digit would be the document type, and last 4 digit will be your company code, and then description you can give like it's finance invoice. So this is the first step. So we have maintained here number group, and the second step, maintain number range for the official document number. So ODN is basically what ODN number. It is official document number. Okay. So to maintain the number range, we are using transaction code SNRO, and object we need to provide this one J_1 IG_OD, as you can see on this screenshot, and then click on change, and here basically we need to maintain the number range. So you specify one number for the range, and for which fiscal year you are doing this, that you need to specify here, and from and to number range. You can see here this I'm maintaining. Once I click on display, or if I click on this table, okay, then further I need to provide the number group. So number group we have maintained here, right? This number group. So this number range would be for each number group. We need to maintain this number range. So this we are maintaining for our number group, which is KR4065, because we are getting error for this only. Okay, the next step is to assign the number range to business place. So business place is the mandatory configuration in GST India scenario. So which is already in place. So this is a setting we need to maintain here. So we give the company code, then we give the business place and the document type KR, and from date, which is like starting of your year, fiscal year, which is 1st April 2024, and then end date, because we maintain this audio number as a year specific number range. And this would be the prefix KR, like when the audio number is generated, this would be the prefix number, and then your number will be picked from this number range. Okay, and then we have to assign the number group which we maintained in the first step. What was the number range, which is 15? You can see here the 15 number range we need to give. So these are the steps, basically configuration steps we need to maintain to resolve this issue. Okay, so I hope you like this content. If so, please do like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what kind of contents you want to see on the channel. Thank you so much. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you.